Hello, welcome. Welcome to Bellabin Chinese Food Kitchen. In today's kitchen, I'm going to share with you a recipe of chicken mushroom soup. It is getting colder and colder, and it is still pandemic time for COVID-19. You drink more and more this soup will help you to warm up your stomach and help you to improve your immunity system. The main material for this soup are shiitake mushrooms. This kind of mushrooms have special taste and also special texture. They are very good for making soup. I bought this kind of mushrooms in Chinese food market. If you cannot find this kind of mushrooms, you can use regular mushrooms. The tastes are still good. I also use chicken thighs, carrot. I use 1/3 of this whole carrot. And then I use half of the yellow potato, 2 green onions, a little bit ginger, and a little bit white pepper powder, and a little bit salt. In this recipe, I use casserole to make soup that can keep the original taste of the soup. Let's start to cook. First, let's cut green onions into small pieces. Then put the small pieces into a plate. Next one, we cut the carrot. First, we cut it into about 1/4 inch thick slices. Then cut the slices into small cubes. Then we put the small cubes into a plate. Next one, we cut the potato. Cut into 1/4 inch thick slices first. Then cut the slices into small cubes. Put the small cubes into a plate. Next one, we cut the mushrooms into thin slices. Then we put the slices into a plate. Next one, we cut the chicken thighs. We have 3 chicken thighs. For each chicken thigh, we cut it into small strips first. Then cut the small strips into small cubes. Then we put the small cubes directly into casserole. Finish cutting the chicken thighs. We put the casserole on the stove and then add in 1 liter of cold water. Then turn on the heat. We can use the medium heat to boil the soup. When the soup is getting a little warmer, you can see scum on the top of the soup. So we skim off the scum. Also, we need to stir on the bottom. We don't want the chicken thighs stick on the bottom. So we continue to skim off the scum. Until we skimmed all the scum. And then we add in gingers and green onions into the soup. When the soup is boiling again, do a little bit of stir and then cover it and turn the heat to low heat, boiling about 10 minutes. 10 minutes already, we open the cover and stir to see if there's someone stick on the bottom, and then add in slices mushrooms. Then add in the carrot cubes and potato cubes. Make everything submerged in the water. Then cover it. When it is boiling, open the cover, stir a little bit, make sure no one is sticked on the bottom. Then add in 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper powder. Stir and to mix them, we only add a little bit salt and a little bit white pepper powder and just made vegetable tasty, but they are not enough. When we drink the soup, we still need add some salt and white pepper powder. Then we cover it and boiling about half hour. Okay, half hour already. Let's open the cover to see. Wow, they're looking so nice. Beautiful. Now, everything is well cooked. We turn off the stove. Then, we take some into the bowl and ready to drink. Wow, it is looking so nice. It is also very nutritious, very tasty soup. Before you drink them, you can put a little bit salt and white pepper again, make them more tasty. How do you like my recipe? If you like my recipe, you may click subscribe button plus bell. Then every time I have new recipe coming, you are notified. Thank you so much, and take care and keep well. See you next time.